Something about the network. Ooh, I got that one. What?
You didn't kill it.
I really don't feel like getting rained on.
I know, that was overhead. I saw that one. Yes. Do you mind? It's out! It just flew back in, and now it's above your head on the ceiling, you dum-dum. Do it right.
Shut up. I'm on video right now. I don't appreciate getting rained on.
You'd be perfect.
Because of a stupid bug.
Bug's got no business being in my van.
Just trying to get away from a storm.
No, it's just being stupid.
Crap out of my way. Doing my shot. Lapway is getting hit.
No, they're kind of under this part over here. That's definitely cul-de-sac area right there. It's
Cul-de-sac,
smack dab on
Winchester, Craigmont, Nez Perce, Gifford, Rubens. Probably heading towards Orfino.
We getting the rain off of this thing, or is that coming from the one behind us?
This one.
The one we're directly, partially under right now. Bulk of it's south, south by southwest. Storm's having no. Holy! It's raining. Windsock's starting to act up now. The backdraft's off the.
Yep, backdraft's off the storm.
Corner of it. Most of it's going around us. Still heading in the northeasterly direction. This one could still hit Orfino. I'd be on the lookout if I were them.
I don't know.